What's the meaning of bathing machine? Bathing machine. Bathing machine.
Bathing machine. Bathing machine. A bathing machine was a device used in the 18th and 19th centuries to allow people to change into swimsuits and enter the water without being seen by others. It consisted of a small cart or wagon with walls and a roof made from canvas or wood. The bather would enter the machine, change their clothing, and then be pulled into the water by horses or men. Bathing machines were popular in seaside resorts and were used primarily by women who wished to swim without being seen by men. The use of bathing machines declined in the early 20th century with the rise of more modern and private facilities.